Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your game to get Libertadores Best Pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, there is a new campaign here, the CONMEBOL Libertadores event. So you can get some player from South America Cup and League, and all the player from the Central America, that is Sudamericana. So let's get started by tapping the store button, tap the live events, and scroll down this one, Libertadores Best Pack. So you can exchange with the 1250 gems with this guarantee reward, mixed version player, best player, and coin. And also you can get possible rewards here. You can learn this pack before exchange it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.